How to make your Google Docs read aloud. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see here, I have opened a Google Docs, and then in order to make this text read aloud, what you will have to do is go to Tools and then go to Accessibility. Now, all you have to do is check this turn on screen reader support and then select OK. Now from here, you will be able go to accessibility and then go to verbalize to screen reader. You can change your several options from here and then also make this read aloud. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.